Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to talk about how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery or your desktop. So this is the easiest way I am going to show you. So first of all, here you can see we have this video, so I will click over here, and once I click over here there is no way to download it, but we have the options to share it. So there is an option we have, that is download image. So let's see what download we did. Like here you can see we already download our image. So here we just want to download our video, so there is a couple of options we have. That let's play this one, and then here we are going to save video from frame as. So it is not also work. So there is another way that help us to download Pinterest video. You just need to search here Pinterest video downloader online, and then just hit enter, and there is a so much options we have. So you just need to find one that is reliable. Then you just need to copy this link, and then you will get link from that place also. So here you can share this link, then you just need to copy the link, and then you just need to paste it here in this form, and then click to the download. Once you click over here to the download, then here actually you can see we are working on your URL, and here actually we are get to download this video. Now we are able to download this one. Just click to the download video, and here actually you can see our video will be downloaded, and the resolution is totally okay, like the real resolution. So this is the easiest way to download any Pinterest video from Pinterest with desktop, and now you can add it to your gallery also. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was really informative for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thanks for watching.